Hi my friends, today we model this part. Not complicated, and the drawing is this one. We start by creating this external contour of revolution with this dimension and the other ones. Let's start. Standard millimeters IPT, XY plane, and a vertical line of 130. 130. This is the axis. Then we draw lines. Down, right, down, left, again, right, and somewhere here. Escape. The other end is this one with these lines. Dimensions. This is 58. This internal is 52. External 70. This is 80. 11 and 76. This part has a contour with the shape of an arc. 59 is the distance between these two centers, and the radius is 34. Let's create this. I draw an arc starting from here to here with radius 34. I trim these two and I place at 46 the center of arc. 46. And this distance as a diameter is 59. This is a temporary dimension. I place here 65. You'll see why. This is 30 and other dimensions. I have to move this. Other dimensions are this one, which is 5. This is 10. And now we have a fully constrained sketch. Finish, revolve, and the first volume is this one. Now I have to create this hexagon, and you see here better where it's placed. You see this nice face to create a sketch on it, and dimension is 55 of the hexagon. I use this face for the new sketch. F7. This is not important, but this is important. Now, since we have X to the right, we use polygon with 6 sides, centered here, and placed for the moment, or roughly, as you can see. Then I apply horizontal, you have seen this, then the distance of 55. Now you see we have a space between the hexagon and this circle. We'll use this opportunity. I don't go to outside of this sketch. I apply F7, and now I apply E from keyboard, and Inventor let me use extrusion tool, and I can select this. You see, this is to be cut, the direction is down, and the end is this face. You see? Okay. Next is this hole with diameter of 40 and the depth of 118 from the bottom. We use the tool hole, not threaded. This is the face, this is the center, the depth is 118 and the diameter is 40. Okay. Now I create a sketch in the plane XY, F7, and I project this sloped line. Why? Because I create here a rectangle with this corner on the line and this corner on the center of this horizontal line. I apply center line for this side and the diameter of 20, as in the drawing, 20, yes? Then revolve. I also can use R key to activate the revolution, and I select this. The axis is known, so I have the hole. Now we deal with the internal volume. This is already placed, so we have 42 with 85 and the other dimensions for this internal contour. We don't apply anything for this hole because we'll use metric 64 with a pitch of 2. The same plane for a new sketch, F7, and I draw a vertical line as the center line to somewhere here. I go to the right, down, horizontal, up, right, down, and a short line here. Then I make this center line, and I draw another horizontal to the right, and I keep pressed the left button to go here. I project this arc and I place the center to the center. This radius is 20. This angle is 45. Important to place angles in the start. This dimension is 85. This is 70. Oh, how precision is here. This is 68. And other dimensions are diameters. This is 42, 42, 58, and 68. One dimension is needed. What is that? Do you see something here? Let's see. This line is not well defined. Why? Because this point must be on the same horizontal with this. I select the line and I select the point. Oh! Maybe this is in the center somewhere. I cannot move this. Let me see. What is the problem with this? Oh, I have to delete this. Problems of old persons. I'm an old person, my friends. Yes, I forget at any step. Good. Finish sketch, revolve with cut. Okay. Now we see this cylinder placed at 78 from this plane and with a diameter of 45. Let's do this. The plane is based on XY plane at a distance of 78. Okay, we use this face for a new this plane for a new sketch. Diameter of 45. I project this arc to have the center, and I place on the same horizontal, X is to the right, these 2 points, and on the same vertical the other point. Finish sketch, extrude to the part. Okay. You see, I didn't go inside. Inside is as it was before. Now I want to apply this thread. That thread is metric 64 with the pitch of 2. I have to end this hole. If I start from below, I want to end it on this level at 46, or at a plane which contains this point. I select this face, sketch, go back, and I have this point. Now I create a plane based on that face and this point. Now hole based on this face with this center, threaded of isometric profile, diameter of 64, pitch of 2, not 6, which is by default, and placed to be ended here. Okay, not necessary this, neither this. Good. Another threaded hole is this one with the dimension of gauge 1 inch. I apply hole, this face, this center of iso pipe threads of 33 is gauge 1 inch, and I have to select the end surface. The end surface is XY plane. Yes? Okay. You see the hole. It doesn't go to the other face. An external thread is this one, metric 58 with a pitch of 2 on the full face. Thread, I select the surface, it is through all the face, and isometric profile, the value is 58 with a pitch of 2. Okay, as you can see here, all chamfers are 2 at 45 degrees. What are the chamfers? This one, this one, this one, and this one. Let's do this. I select this chamfer, 2 millimeters, this one, and this 2. Okay. There is also a fillet radius 2 on this edge. I select 2 millimeters is by default, and now I can search for the volume. I properties, physical, update, copy, close, drawing, double click, and the new value is this one. There is a small difference. I eliminate the former one and I keep this one because this is what we did. I apply material, which is steel cast, then the color, general color of red. I select some faces for applying polished or machining. You can add other faces, but press the shift button of the keyboard. Steel polished. I apply view shaded and I compare the two. You see, nothing is different, but we respect the last volume we did here. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.